to add TikTok link to Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile at bottom right. Then click on three lines on top right. You'll find settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Share Profile, which is below Security and Permission. Then you'll find Snapchat option, but it is only chat option. It will directly send. So to add link, click on Copy Link. After you've copied link, simply open Snapchat. Open Snapchat and take a picture or video. After you've done that, you will find paperclip-like option at right side. Click on it. In here, paste the link and then press on allow. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on TikTok. Make sure it's your account. After it's your account, click on attach to Snap, which is at the bottom. Then it will attach to your Snap in this way. You can adjust where you want and then simply click on send to option located at bottom right and send. This is how to add TikTok link to Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.